Everyone, this video about the tiny house with dimension 2.5 and 5.8 meters. This is about the extraordinary and simple tiny house with wood panel lumber exterior look. It has several opening and window, and on the left side has semi-large window on the bed area. On the middle with entrance door with glass panel, and on the right side with a square window with a glass panel also, and then on the right side with a rectangular window on the bathroom, and on the back with a rectangular window on the kitchen. So for the roof, it using a flat roof, just a simple and extraordinary flat roof. Then we can go to the interior area. This is about the conceptual interior arrangement. So without the material assignment right there, it's just dummy layout for the interior. And this side about the bed area, maybe it could be a single size of the bed space, approximately around 1.4 meters or 1.2 meter, with a cabinet on the wall, with a upper cabinet on the wall on the upper position, and it has some shelf right there. And for the another side has a kitchen table, washer machine, kitchen sink, and kitchen cabinet on the top of the window. And on the right side has two-seater of the dining table with near to the window element, so it could be daylighting enough on the daytime anyway. Then on the next door, on the next room has a bathroom right there with a wastafel, and there is space for shower cabin and toilet with skylight. I'm sorry, with a rectangular window on the bathroom anyway, so it could be daylighting enough on the daytime. And we can look from this side anyway. We can look from this side with arrangement like this for the right side with a kitchen, kitchen sink and washer machine and some shelf and cabinet right there. And for the left side with a dining table with two seaters with a square table, it's near to the window element. And for the far from here has a bed area with a dimension for the single size of the capacity of the bed anyway. Then for the ceiling, with using a lumber ceiling, approximately for the floor to ceiling height around 2.5 meter or 2.6 meter approximately. And for the floor with lumber floor looks with a light wood like this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and I hope it will be insight to you about this design of the tiny house. And wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.